Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Drizzle. Today we are going to learn about Drizzle ORM not support insert returning. So we are going to discuss on this. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically in the documentation also here you can see insert returning. That means PostgreSQL it's supported, SQLite it's supported, but the MySQL it's not supported. So okay, so if you're trying to do this part in the MySQL, so it will not work. Okay, so what is the way that you can do? You can do that whenever you do the insertion. Okay, so here we go with the code. So whenever you do the insertion like this, dp.insert with this so here we have a insert id. Okay, you will get the last insert id. On the behalf of the last insert id, you can make a query of that list. Okay, then you will get the result. So this is the way that you can do to get the results. Otherwise there is no option here that you can get the rows from that. Okay, because in the documentation it's mentioning you can insert a row and get it back in the Postgres and the SQLite, not in the MySQL. I have tried this one, but nothing works in the MySQL. So make sure that returning will work only the Postgres and the SQLite. Okay, so I have already, so you can get it with the help of result. In the index insert id, you will get the last insert id. I will show you. Let me just go and just check the username. User is root, and the password is this one. I haven't added this example, so let me go and just check localhost slash php slash adminer. So root, so I will go with there and let's create the database. So drizzle example, save this, and we have a table which says name and the email. So let's create a table also with name, with id first, would be a primary auto incremented, and how I can make auto incremented. Let's see, name and email. Okay, name should be varchar strings, email should be varchar. Okay, and length we can define 100. Okay, let's close this, let's save this. Incorrect, okay, table name we will save it users. Okay, show structure, alter. So it's auto incremented, but why it's, I think where I can say this is primary. Okay, let's try to insert this. Okay, so here we have the all the data. This is for the Node.js Express I'm using. So Drizzle, MySQL. Okay, so here we have the create a MySQL connection. So here the connection is done, right? So initialize the Drizzle with the MySQL connection. Here we have the define your table. So basically this is a users table. This is a schema you can say about, right? Okay, then we are going to insert a user with the users table, db.insert.users with the values, right? Let's, and last connection end. Okay, let's go and just check node index.js module cannot find the drizzle orm. So node modules is there, so let's add the npm I. Okay, so let's check. You can see insert id is 1. If I go over here SQL table, go back, select users, select column. Here you can see the one id is inserted, so here you will get the one. So you can query to select the rows of the one record. Okay, so this is the way in the MySQL, not in the Postgres and the SQLite, right? They are returning, but in the MySQL they are not returning. Already they have mentioned, so no need to like Google and searching and everything. They have already clearly mentioned that the insert returning only possible in PostgreSQL and the SQLite. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.